that building? Oh, that's the Highland View. Yeah, that's how the hotel. That's why I'm going to look around. How many chips are there? You know?
Right there on the left, and I hear bus 12. He'll be here shortly. Okay. Yeah.
Hobby.
Hi guys.
Okay, it's 5:50 a.m.
In the morning.
here in Las Vegas, and we're waiting for our bus.
Our bus. My wife got us tickets to go to the Hoover Dam,
And
the Grand Canyon.
so
So we're going on a little tour today. It'll be about 10 hours. We should be coming back.
tour day today.
So it's tour day.
See ya.
We're in the second part of our trip.
See ya.
You're gonna love it.
See ya.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Is the new bypass bridge, which in itself is impressive, over 1,200 feet above sea level, above the canyon, 2,000 feet across. The concrete span bridge is the widest concrete span bridge here in the United States. And it was interesting to see them build it. They started off by building the arch, built it up in sections, held it in place with guide wires from above, got to the top, just dropped the piece in like a jigsaw puzzle. There it was, one arch. Put the spurs up, put the span across, there it was, one bridge. Here to the right, you see the Black Canyon. We're just going to go to the other side of the dam, as I say, take a picture too, and then we'll come back again and head out of town. Coming up on the left here is the public car park. It's done on a couple of occasions. The last time in earnest was in
Where's Hobby? Oh, nice. We are here at the Hoover Dam. Ooh, nice car. Ooh, nice car. Yes, we're here at Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam. There's the dam. It's all dry. Yep. Go there.
Sign?
Yeah, I did already.
Oh, did you?
Yep, of course.
Please, come on, come on. Picture of the dam. Around the damn hill.
Yes. We are in Hoover Dam. Nice car. Whoa. You have to be in line, honey. We are in the Hoover Dam. Let's go like this. You know we have to. Two.
You get my damn
Come
and I
here.
get my hoop.
Oh, yes.
because they fudged the figures, they really did. In the early days, if you were injured down here at the Hoover Dam and taken up into the hospital and died there, then you were counted as dying at the Hoover Dam. But too many people were dying. In the first 6 months, over 20 people died. And they realised that they couldn't go on like that. Someone's going to shut the whole thing down. So to hide the figures, they just changed the rules. If you were injured down here to the hospital and died in the hospital, you no longer counted as dying at the Hoover Dam. A lot of those that suffered from smoke inhalation whilst they were building the tunnels. So although the official number is 96, the number is much higher than that. And the figure they'll never really know. Here to the right is the monument to the 96 men that are officially listed. One can only hope that it memorialises those that were killed here and not counted. Coming on high scalers, of the various categories of workers, the high scalers had the highest percentage of deaths. But much of that was of their own making. In the early days, the high scalers were the staff. So although the percentage rate was quite high for the high scalers, much of that, unfortunately, was of their own making. This turn here, they widened considerably when they were building the bypass bridge. Before that, the trucks coming down here to back up to get round the corner. This is the one of the overhead cableways, train systems. There were 11 of them back then. This one they've retained and still drop things down into the power plant. Good view of the Hoover Dam as we swing away.
Bye, Hoover Dam.
Now the
Bye-bye.
project, Hoover Dam project, was actually
Oh yeah, ayun na. Yeah, good. Yeah. Where are you gonna be? This one. Eh. What does it look like?